If you are wondering if we have power sharing available on Google Pixel 10, then the answer is yes, but it is only available if you use a USB cable. So if you have USB-C cable, so USB cable that has USB-C on both ends, then you can connect your Google Pixel 10 and another smartphone, for example, or any other device, of course, together. You can connect them together. And as you can see, immediately it is charging, but in case it is not charging, you can go to notifications and you should be able to find something about charging over here, the Android system notification. So we can tap on this notification in order to go to USB preferences, and then at the bottom we have power options where we can charge connected device. So as you can see, I can disable it and I can turn it on, and if I turn it on, we start charging. So that's unfortunately the only way to charge other devices. There is no wireless option. It was available, for example, on Google Pixel 9, I believe, but here wireless battery sharing is unfortunately not available. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.